Okay.
That's him. That's him.
Melissa, he's back. He just turned the corner on Lyra and Hopper. He's headed down Hopper now, 6300 Hopper. Here, go inside, go inside.
On the freeway down last
Yeah, he just flew past me on Hopper. I'm gonna try and catch back up with him now. He was eastbound on Hopper. 6'3", he's got a gun, be careful. Two nine, shots fired. Two nine, shots fired. Cheese and Heath, shots fired. Cheese and Heath. Roll medics, roll medics. Suspects down, suspects down. Suspects, show me your hands. Drop the weapon. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Suspects, stop moving. My head. 6400 Heath, 6400 Heath. Stop moving! Don't move, don't move, don't move! Stop moving! Stop moving! Stop moving! Hey, no more! Stop moving! Hey, secure the weapon, secure the weapon! Stop moving! Hands secure, hands secure! Roll HFD, roll HFD. Roll over, roll over right now! Let me see. Negative. Let me see it.
Bro, let me go, bro.
No, get down, give me your hands. Give me your hands. Hands now, hands.
No, I'm not giving you shit, bro.
Give the hands. Come on, man.
Hell no, nigga.
Come. I got this hand. Right, watch out for my gun. Everywhere.
It's hit all over.
Stop. Stop it. Stop. I got it. I got this other hand.
You got me.
Right. Grab this.
Give me.
Grab it. I'm good.
Sorry, I was going to
You're okay. You're all right.
You're fine, Melissa.
Secure the gun.
Hands are slippery right now. We gotta pull it off.
No, I don't know. Check the car. Check the car.
Move. All right.
God damn it! Hey, are you hit? Hey, check yourself.
Come on, man. I'm good. He just ran straight into my car.
Are you okay?
You're fine, man.
Stay here. That's clear. Let's get more units over here. Hey, sit down. Sit down. AC-63 was involved in a head-on collision. He's going to need medics. No officer was hit.
He's got one in his arm, so let's put a tourniquet on his arm.
Check his legs. Check his legs.
Hopper. Eastbound on Hopper. Northeast.
Hey, Charles, 6-3 evenings.
6-3, dad.
6-3. The suspect vehicle just ran straight in front of my vehicle. I'm at Heath and Chiefs.
Hey,
get down!
okay, 6-3.
Get down! Here's the police! Get down! Cease fire! Cease fire! Cease fire! Suspect still moving! Drop the weapon! Son of a bitch! Excuse my language.
Don't move! Suspect, stop moving!
Let me see your left! Let me see your right hand! Hey, moving forward! Moving forward! Do you have eyes on the right hand? Can you see the right hand? All right, hands clear. Hey, don't move your head. Don't move your fucking head.
Anybody else?
Don't move.
Oh, yeah, that's clear. She's gone.
Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop fucking moving.
Hold up, small. You can.
Hey, no more.
Downgrade code 3.
Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. Hands secure. Hands secure.
Roll HFD, roll HFD.
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over right now. Let me see.
Negative.
Let me see.
Let me go, bro. No, get down. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Hands now. Hands.
No, I'm not giving you shit, bro.
Give the hands. Come on, man.
Hell no, nigga. This is what I wanted. This is what I'm gonna get. I got this hand. I got this hand. I got this hand.
Oh, yeah.
I got this hand. Right, watch out for my glasses.
You got a gun? Stop.
With a gun.
Stop it.
With a gun.
Stop.
Let's do it. I got it. I got this hand right
Oh,
here.
you think you got me?
Grab this.
You ain't gonna get me?
Grab it. I'm good.
You know you ain't get me.
You're okay. You're all right. Secure the gun. Hands are slippery right now. We gotta pull it off.
No, I don't know. Check the car.
Move. All right.
Fuck. God damn it.
Salinas, you hit?
Check yourself.
I'm good. He just ran straight into my car.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Stay here.
I just got fucking.
Hey, stop. Hey, sit down. AC-63 was involved in the head-on collision. Need medics.